Malton Plastics has been trading for 17 years in the heart of North Yorkshire, manufacturing quality plastic components via injection moulding, providing to customers both in the UK and around the world. High standards and a commitment to excellence are the foundations of everything we do. We believe in offering a high-end service at a competitive price with no compromises. Customers are always left satisfied with our flexible approach to production before, during and after manufacturing. The process of choosing a supplier should always be straightforward and painless. We negate the need to look any further by offering all of the facilities you will need under one roof and through one contact. Beginning with assessing all of your requirements, we work very closely with customers to accurately turn ideas into functional products. A precise quote is always given to ensure all of the information and terms are clear prior to any manufacturing. Tools can be developed in-house or outsourced to a variety of trusted sources, whether UK or overseas. We are also equipped to assemble, package and distribute the product on your behalf. Typically, manufacturing often demands the input of information from multiple sources, but at Malton Plastics, we endeavour to meet all expectations to simplify the process for any customer. Injection moulding is our primary service, and as custom moulders, we are able to produce a wide variety of plastic parts to suit many individual uses. Processing most commodity and engineering thermoplastics with component weight up to 1 kilogram, we have provided products to the agricultural, automotive, construction, defence, domestic appliances, leisure, sports and safety sectors. Manufacturing is conducted utilising a wide variety of machinery, such as our injection moulding machines from world-renowned brands such as Demag and Krausmafei. In addition to injection moulding, we are also able to offer design, toolmaking, pad printing, ultrasonic welding and package and assembly services to meet customers' individual needs. Our scope of machinery is such that we are capable of undertaking orders of almost any volume, aiming to accommodate customers to the best of our ability. Malton Plastics continues to push the boundaries of what can be expected from a plastics manufacturer. With a wealth of history and expertise, get in touch today to see how we can help with your plastic requirements.